Come on, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, today I'm here again skiing with my bird. Look at my bird, guys. Birds are everywhere, so it's very cool, guys. So I have to check my bird early in the morning so they can have food. I have a hard time doing the two things. Feeding the bird and have a GoPro is not great. So yeah, it's funny, guys, you know, they're used to it for me. To all my subscribers and viewers, thank you very much. You know, I'm gonna do a lot of vlogging, guys, for you guys, you know, so you can see all here what temperature here. The temperature today is 17 degrees and it's ski. Nakakatuwa itong mga ibon na. Sige na guys, kasi mag-ski ako. Gusto mo mag-spade? Gayon mo yan. Yan, tapos yan, gayon. I-break mo. Parang madulas, okay? Pero pag na-control mo naman yung ano mo, na-control mo yung speed mo, okay lang yan. Woo! No. Oh my goodness, I made it down. Hopefully you like this video, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Whew. We're gonna have fun.